But so I wrote this song entitled Sweet Pamakani. It was something like this. Dedicated to all you folks, aloha. Oh, sweet Pamakani, ikeria mai oe, aheiko maru. Oh, sweet Pamakani, ikeria mai oe, aheiko maru. Oia kanoi, vai ko maka o ngana ka aloha e oia ka noi aka vai ko maka The next verse talks about 2 o'clock in the morning. The hospital called us to come back to the hospital. As they handed us our little daughter, she had passed. And in this little room, there's a light that shines right on down on the wife and I. And as you hold her, it's like the moonlight shining on us. And this verse is written for her beautiful eyes. I'm standing beneath the moonlight, my sweet Pamakani, your gentle eyes are mine to love, because you're mine. I'm standing here beneath the moonlight, my sweet Pamakani, your gentle eyes are mine to love, because you're mine. Oh, sweet Pamakani, ikeria mai oe, aheiko maru. Ai mai ana kapuana, oh, sweet Pamakani, ikeria mai oe, aheiko maru.
Mahalo everyone. We love you all. Mahalo.